Hi, this is Manfred from the Verein für berufliche Weiterbildung, and this is the series Your Weekly English Tip and Trick. And this is how to make American pancakes. Are you ready? Let's go! Now, to get started to make American pancakes, these are the items that we will need. We need a pan. We need a whisk. You might use a mixer. We need a scoop. We need a pancake flipper. And we need a bowl. And a measuring cup. So now that we have all the items that we need to make American pancakes, now we need the ingredients. That's the most important part. So here we go. We need milk. We need eggs. We need vanilla sugar. We need baking powder. And we need flour, of course. Wrong flour. We need flour. Okay, so now we have measured about 200 grams of flour. As the bowl comes in handy, we put the flour into the bowl. Now, since we only gonna make pancakes for 2 people, we take 1 egg, that should be enough. Crash it, put it into the bowl. Then, what we do, we take vanilla sugar and also put it into the bowl. The same with a little bit of baking powder, not too much. That should do it. Here comes the milk. And that is something that you have to just kind of like pour in as we start stirring and mixing up the flour with the egg and the baking powder. And whoops, does make a little mess, but hey, when you do some gourmet cooking here, you're expected to make some mess. A good advice is to take a plate and turn your oven on quite low, just to have it warm, and put your plate in here so when you're done with your first pancakes, you can put them in there so they stay warm. It seems like we're ready to fire up the pan, and we're ready to cook. Arm yourself with your scoop and with your flipper, pancake turner, pancake flipper. Now it certainly seems that the pan is hot enough, so we are ready for our first pancake. So we take the scoop, and depending on how big your pan is, you put the dough in here. And then we wait. Yeah. And then we take and we flip it. And here we have a perfect brown color of a pancake. Now, of course, the most important part of eating pancakes is smothering it in maple syrup. That is essential for the great taste of American pancakes. And if you really want to be cool, you heat up the syrup and pour it over your pancakes and have it hot. Now, there's no American dish without being greasy, so for the diehards, put a little butter on top. That is perfect. And then you pour the hot maple syrup on top of this, and you're ready to go. This is how you make American pancakes. Have fun and tell me if you like it. We'll see you next week for more tips and tricks in English, vocabulary, phrases, all the good stuff. All right. And of course, to make it a little healthy, we'll put a little fruit on top. Ain't that sweet?